Yeah, hello, my dear students, grade 12. Today I will explain chapter 3, section 3, implicit derivative. What means explicit and implicit? Uh, Explicit form, like this one, we can write y in terms of x, يعني y in left hand side and x in right hand side. In this form, y expressed as a function of x. But this one implicit, we have x and y on the same side, and we can't write y in terms of x, or it's hard to write it. Okay, this is implicit and this is explicit. Y in left hand side, but in implicit x and y on the same side, and we have y square, y times 2x. This is hard to write y in terms of x. Then we have another form or another way to find the derivative. I will explain with this example. Okay. Look to this example now. We have this example. 10x to power 4 minus 18xy square plus 10y to power 3 is equal to 48. Can you write y in terms of x? It's not easy. No, it's hard to write it. Then we use implicit derivative. We said first we have to write, we have to find the derivative of each term respect to طبعا x. Okay, then we move all terms to the left side. Which terms? The terms with out y prime to the left. If you have y prime, we move it to left side. If you don't have y prime, to right side. Like this example, let we solve or we find derivative of this one. طبعا you have all on the left hand side. This one, the example equals to 48. Now we have to find the derivative. To find this derivative, we start with first term. Derivative this one, as you know, the derivative 4 times 10, which is 40, x to power 3. We subtract 1 from power, will be 3. Minus, what about this one? We have xy product rule. Okay, don't care about this 18. Let this 18 sorry, and out, open bracket, find derivative this one. A product rule first, x, derivative second, 2y, y prime. We add y prime after each derivative of y prime, plus, this is first, derivative second, plus second, this is second, derivative first, which is x, we don't write, 1, plus derivative 10y cubed, 3 times 10, 30, and subtract 1 to power from power will be 2 y prime. After each y, you write y prime in implicit derivative just. Derivative 48, as you know, is 0. Now, simplify. Simplify 14 execute minus, just we multiply minus by this term and this term. Then 18 times 2, 36, 36xy prime. Negative times positive, negative. 18 times y square is 18y square plus 30y square y prime equalize 0. Now write y prime in left side. Which term? Which term with y prime in left side and without y prime to right side? Okay. Which one with y prime? Which one without y prime? You can see this is y prime, this term, y prime, and this term, y prime. And this term, we move it to right side. This one and this one to right side. Because this term without y prime. Okay, it's gonna be minus 36xy prime, this one, 30 y square y square y prime equal to, we don't need this one, we move it to another side, become طبعا positive because it's negative, will be 18y square, and we move this one in another side, in right side, it will be minus 40x cubed. Now try to simplify to find y prime. Which one is y prime? This is y prime, and this is y prime. Take out y prime as common factor, y prime as common factor. What you have remainder? Minus 36x, minus 36x and y plus, take out y prime, remainder 30y square equal 18y square minus 40x cubed. After you find the y prime is equal to what? Just we divide both sides by this one. Divide by this one, divide by this one. This is the y prime. Now simplify. You can take out 2 as common factor. 9y squared minus 20x cubed, 2 as common factor from numerator. And in denominator, by the same way, you can take out 2 as common factor. Reduce 2 with 2, you can cancel. The final answer is y prime equal to 9y squared minus 20x cubed over minus 18xy plus 15y squared. This is the y prime, or the slope at any point. This is the y prime, or the slope at any point. Y prime means slope at any point. If the given we have point, then for example 2 1 any number, we replace x and y, then you get the number y prime. This is an example for implicit derivative. Thank you.